Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling LeetCode problem 47, Permutations 2. This is a medium-level problem, and it's a great one for practicing your backtracking skills. The problem asks us to find all unique permutations of an array of integers. Notice the word unique. That's the key difference from the standard permutations problem. We're not looking for every possible ordering, but only the distinct ones. For example, if the input array is 1, 1, 2, we shouldn't have duplicate permutations like 1, 1, 2 and 1, 1, 2 again. We need to generate only unique sets. Sounds challenging, right? But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. We'll explore different approaches, starting with a more intuitive, though less efficient method, and then moving on to an optimized solution. So let's dive in. Understanding with examples. Let's solidify our understanding with some examples. Suppose our input array is 1, 2, 3. The unique permutations would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 2, 1. See how there are no duplicates? Now, let's consider the input 1, 1, 2. Here, the unique permutations are 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2, 1, 1. Notice that we only have these three, even though other orderings might seem possible. They would just be duplicates. The key here is managing duplicates efficiently. This is where our algorithmic thinking will come in handy. We'll need a clever way to avoid generating redundant permutations. In the next scene, we'll look at a naive approach to help us appreciate the elegance of our optimal solution later on. Brute force approach. A brute force approach would involve generating all possible permutations and then filtering out duplicates. We could use nested loops to generate all permutations and then use a set to store unique permutations and avoid duplicates. However, this is highly inefficient. Imagine an array with many repeated elements. The number of duplicate permutations would explode, resulting in a lot of wasted computation. The time complexity would be something like O of n factorial, which is incredibly slow for larger arrays. It would be extremely inefficient and would not pass the LeetCode test cases for larger inputs. So let's move on to a far more efficient approach that avoids this needless work. Optimal solution. The optimal solution utilizes backtracking. Backtracking is a recursive approach where we explore all possible paths systematically, and if a path doesn't lead to a solution, we backtrack and try another path. To avoid duplicates, we'll sort the input array first. Then, during the backtracking process, we'll skip over adjacent duplicate elements to prevent generating the same permutation multiple times. We'll use a recursive helper function that takes the current permutation being built and the remaining elements. It will explore all possible choices for the next element, ensuring uniqueness. This drastically reduces the computational overhead compared to the brute force approach, leading to a significantly improved time complexity. Code implementation. Let's see the code in Python. First, we sort the input array. Then, we define a recursive helper function. This function takes the current permutation and the remaining elements as input. It iterates through the remaining elements, adding each element to the current permutation. If the element is a duplicate, we skip it. Otherwise, it recursively calls itself with the updated permutation and the remaining elements. When we've built a complete permutation, we add it to the results list. It's really quite elegant how this backtracking handles the uniqueness constraint. I'll put a full code implementation in the description below for reference. If you want to follow along, I would suggest opening up an online code editor or a notepad and typing along with me. Time and space complexity. Now let's analyze the time and space complexity. The time complexity of this backtracking approach is O of n factorial, the same as the brute force approach. However, the constant factor is significantly reduced because we avoid generating duplicate permutations. The space complexity is O of n due to the recursive call stack and the space used to store the results. Though technically still O of n factorial in the worst case, the practical performance improvement is remarkable, especially with inputs containing many duplicates, where the brute force method would be unacceptably slow. This refined backtracking strategy makes a massive difference in real-world applications. So, remember, algorithm choice can significantly impact performance. Engagement break. So, what'd you think of that solution? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more LeetCode solutions and coding tutorials. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let me know. Your feedback is invaluable. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Happy coding!